You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. Originally a name from Irish, from Ireland, and I believe Northern Ireland in particular. It does come from Irish Tyrone, literally the land of own, Tyrone. But the name itself is usually pronounced in English, but also in modern Irish, as Tyrone. Tyrone is usually how it's pronounced. Do you pronounce it differently? Do you pronounce it Tyrone yourself? Tyrone is the more ancestral way of pronouncing it, but now it's usually pronounced as Tyrone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.